Okay, I'm going to go ahead and introduce to you week 5, which is February the 3rd through the 9th. We're looking at shopping vocabulary, the preterite, and the imperfect tenses. You want to study pages 248 to 253, 262 to 266, and review pages 200 to 206, 214 to 222, and 230 to 233. After completing this week's assignments, you should know how to use the imperfect tense. You should be able to identify the names of various specialty stores and what they sell, as well as other shopping vocabulary. You should be able to make an oral presentation about your childhood, which demonstrates your ability to respond to familiar questions and familiar situations. You should also be able to use the preterite, tense, sports, and weather vocabulary to write a paragraph which describes what you did last summer. This week's assignments address student learning outcomes 1, 2, and 5. All of the assignments for this week are due on the 6th. You want to start this week like all others by looking at your instructor-made videos. We have videos on Chapter 8 vocabulary and the preterite and the imperfect. Then you want to click on the class participation forum, click on the thread, hit reply, if it'll come up, click reply, and post any questions or concerns you have about material covered in the videos. And if you don't have any questions, then please post that, but you have to post something because it is a grade. You also have an assignment in My Language Labs. You need to complete these SAM activities and extra practice activities. So when you're ready, go into My Language Labs, click on the course calendar. Then because I'm making this video in January, I'm going to have to toggle over to February. Click on the 6th. The assignments are going to pop up in the middle. Open up each one. You can do it as many times as you would like. After the 3rd try, it'll give you the right answer in a little call-out box. And if you're doing it more than that, then I suggest reaching out to me. You also need to give your final draft for writing assignment 1. You'll see this little workshop right here above the writing assignment. Open it up and you will see feedback from me, and this little video will help you know what you're supposed to do. And there'll be a symbol link. You want to use a link to a symbol sheet. You want to make this changes that I suggest, and after you've done that, then you will hit add submission and you will paste your paragraph in here with the changes that I suggested that you make. Also, you will have oral dialogue too. The workshop is in the week above right now because I'm making the video in advance, but I always move the workshops down. So this little workshop will get moved to here, and you'll open it up and you'll no longer see a prompt, but someone else's script, and you're to give them feedback, as well as I'll go through and give you feedback. And that's everything you have to do for week 5.